Hi, this is Heather from FoodLovinFamily.com. Today I'm back with another air fryer tip for you. We're going to be making frozen fish sticks in the air fryer. You can do them under 10 minutes. They come out nice, crispy, and perfect every time. We are going to add our fish sticks to the air fryer. Make sure not to overcrowd them or stack them up, because the way the air fryer works, it circulates hot air and you want it to be able to get all around the fish sticks so they're nice and crispy. We're gonna put our fish sticks in the air fryer and set the temperature for 400 for 4 minutes. Okay, now we're going to take the fish sticks out and give them a shake or flip them over and put them back in at 400 for another 4 minutes.